Good afternoon. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I cannot remember the last time I have fried anything, but tonight I am going to fry up some cube steak, and I'm going to fry some onions in it. So we're going to batter the cube steak in nothing but flour, and that's what we're going to start with. So let's get started. I've got to slice up my onion. I'm going to use one of these slicers that I got from Food Network. It makes a really quick job out of slicing anything. So we're just going to slice up this onion right quick. Just be careful and don't slice your hand. Okay, that is done. See how quick that was? And I'm just going to put that over here in my fry pan. We're going to put a little butter in it, just regular butter. Put it on my eye and let it be getting hot. So I've got some butter in the pan, in the fry pan. We're just going to take our onions and just lay them in and let them cook just for a few minutes. Then when they get almost done, I'm going to take them out and I'm going to put flour on my cube steak and lay them in the pan and just fry them. That is nothing in the world but just plain old butter. Put a lid on it, let it cook just for a few minutes. Okay, I put a little bit more butter. I took the onions out, put a little bit more butter in there. And all we're going to do is flour our cube steak on both sides. Just lay it in the pan. Okay, I've just got some butter in it. Turn it over and get it. It doesn't take long for this to cook. You don't have to cook this real long, if so, it will be tough. So let's don't cook it long. Now I've just cut this piece right here, and as you can see, it is done. Doesn't take long for it to cook. That piece is so much thicker, so I'll let that cook just a few minutes longer. I'm going to take up this thin piece here. And I'm going to take the onions that I had cooked earlier, and we're just going to put them back in the pan with it. And turn the meat over one more time. Put the lid on it, put it on low, and just let it sit there for just a few minutes. And unless you want to put gravy over it, that's all you have to do. This is nothing but cube steak and sauteed onions. I cooked my onions in butter and floured my steak and just put it in there and let it cook. And like I say, it is really, really quick. Now this is done. Around the house with Kay and Tom. Very short video, but I hope you enjoyed it. Give me your comments and come back to see me. That's all it is to cooking a piece of cube steak in a fry pan with some smothered onions or sauteed onions on top of it. Now I'm going to go in there and have some dinner. Okay, I now have cube steak with sauteed onions and some cranberry sauce for my dinner. And as you can see, I've cut one piece. It is definitely done. Come back to see me. Have a good night.